It's alive! It's alive!
Hello and welcome to another 8-Bit Guy
YouTube poop video.
In last month's unboxing video, you may have seen an unexpected surprise there as somebody sent me a Glock 19. It actually does everything I need a pistol to do. I wanted to play some of the patches that it has on it right now because I don't even know if those will still be around after I change the battery. Because after I change it, all of the patches are going to be gone and I'm going to have to use a Glock 19 to load the factory patches back on there. So let me show you some of those before I even try to start restoring this keyboard or anything. This is one of those sounds that grows the longer you hold it. Okay, so patch 21 is a cool synth bass. 23 sounds like the 8-Bit Guy. That's what he uses the bathroom. $31 sounds like Tech Moan.
To get lucky, we're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky. We're up all night to get lucky.
But if you hold the keys down, it changes.
Blah blah every night. Blah 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 blah. Passion beats. Fall in love. Ba 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 ba. Cat's eye. Magic players, bad dancing.
And 32 sounds Glock 19. So that about wraps it up for this episode. Anyway, thanks for watching and stick around.
Yeah.